Hello, welcome to our design showcase of the accessories connector. As is evident in its name, it can be used to connect accessories. The AC can be mounted from the front side by screws and using its countersinks on the back for flathead screws to mount accessories. Because the flathead screws are against the channel bottom of the pillar, it is actually preventing the flathead screws from going backward and getting loose. And here is but one example of its use in connecting with another accessory. For our second demonstration, we have the Freestyle Accessories Connector, or the FS-AC connector. The FS-AC connectors are designed for mounting the accessories anywhere in the channel. The specially designed secondary screw holes on the FS-AC connector are threaded and avoid the locations of the screw holes on the pillar channel. When inserting a proper length of the screw in the secondary screw holes, the bottom of the screw will go against the channel, lifting the connector against the top of the channel and providing friction, therefore locking the location of the connector in the channel. For our third demonstration, we have the Offset Freestyle Accessories Connector, or the OS FS-AC connector. As you can see, the secondary screw holes are offset from the side of the connector, and the main screw holes are on the opposite side. The Offset Freestyle and the regular Freestyle Accessories connector can both be used when it's difficult to determine the screw hole location. Your UltraPillar solution is currently available for pre-order. Please visit us at farfarawaycompany.com where our catalog and sales contacts are available. UltraPillar, a pillar of creation.